Welcome to the YouTube channel of Astro for You Malayalam. Today's video is about the reason behind the change in your person. I hope you all will like this video. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's move on to the first pile that person has selected. Leaf is pile. Choose a pile based on your person. We are now going to the reading of the persons who selected leaf as a pile at first. The nature of that person's change is not visible. That person loves you with all their heart. They cannot live without loving you. You are always in their beautiful mind. They love you more than anyone else loves you, more than anyone else accepts you. They cannot love or care for anyone else without you. You are the most important person in that person's life. A life without you is unimaginable for them. In any situation of resistance, in any competition, that person wants to move forward with you. No matter how many challenges or problems arise, they want to stand by your side. The reason for doubt about the change may be because the person appears to dislike or show dissatisfaction. In reality, the person is not showing dissatisfaction but feels lazy to express many things to you. At their core, the person has a good heart. Loving you is not to gain any selfish benefit from you. They love you selflessly. That is why, even if you are hurt or betrayed, they will remain close to you, give you more freedom, and show you more love. But not everyone behaves like this. For this person, you are the most important person in their life. You are the most loved individual in their world. They do not want to involve you in others' lives or share their love with others. They want to live only with you wholeheartedly. Their love for you is sincere. You should not doubt their love based on the harsh or hurtful words of others. Believe in their love and in the understanding you share with this person. You will find goodness in this relationship. Their love is solely for you. Now, moving on to the second pile, the chicken pile. This person loves you and takes a stand with you but is always afraid of you. This fear is influenced by the people surrounding them. The people around this person do not support your love and show anger toward them. When you are not present, the person you love is afraid of those people. They tend to follow their words and are hesitant to stand up for you. Even though they love you, they are not ready to confront those who intimidate them. This person fears expressing their feelings or taking action. They often choose to accept the influence of those around them to move forward. This is because they carry deep sorrow and pain in their heart. When you love someone, fear might also arise. This fear is due to uncertainties or concerns about their reactions. Therefore, you cannot blame others entirely for their actions. You should reflect on your feelings and ensure your own safety and well-being. Even when you love someone, that person may feel afraid of other persons. There is a reason behind that fear. Your person may fear what they might do any harm to you. Therefore, you can't entirely blame others for that fear. Your feelings, safety, and thoughts are important. At times, that person may feel like a stranger. He might be afraid of being threatened or hesitant to say no to others. When you consider all this, you might find yourself agreeing with others instead of standing by your own words. In reality, you can give that person courage by opening your heart to them. Open your heart and communicate with that person as closely as possible. Do not lose your courage. There is no need to fear anything regarding you and your partner. You and your partner should not fear anyone. You will be able to move forward with a positive attitude. So, move forward confidently and with positivity. Your strength and wisdom will support you. I hope you all liked today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Any donations you make will help us create more content. Thank you.